Hello, I am Rob Mattia with FMI Products. I'm the National Field Service Manager. Parts included in this kit: an instruction sheet, pilot orifice, burner orifice, gas valve regulator, conversion label in English, a conversion label in French, conversion information label, and a registration gas conversion. Recommended tools that are needed: 7/8 inch open end wrench, a 3/4 inch open end wrench, an adjustable wrench, Torx T20 driver, a slotted screwdriver, a 5/32 Allen wrench, and pipe thread sealer. The gas supply must be shut off and all electrical power to the appliance must be off. The gas control valve and the burner gas line is located under the firebox floor. The pilot orifice and the main burner orifice is located inside the firebox. Remove the top and bottom louvers simultaneously, sliding the two spring latches toward the center until they are disengaged from the locating holes on both ends. Remove the screen assembly by sliding the rod right or left and then pull one end down and forward. The door has 4 latches that keep the door closed, 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom. Pull the latches toward you to unlock. The door is hinged and will swing open. When locking the door, make sure to lock the top latches first. To replace the items removed, simply reverse the procedure. Burner orifice conversion. From below, disconnect burner gas line from the brass elbow. From below, unscrew the natural gas burner orifice from the brass elbow. Note: the burner orifice is threaded on both sides. The small hole goes into the burner. Apply a light amount of thread sealant to the bottom threads of the LP orifice. Replace the new LP orifice to the brass elbow. Adjust the air shutter to fully open. Reinstall in reverse order. Pilot conversion. Do not remove the barrel clip. Remove the pilot hood by pulling up until it disengages from the barrel. Remove the pilot orifice from inside the barrel using a 5/32 Allen wrench to unscrew. Discard the natural gas pilot orifice. Replace the pilot orifice with LP number 30 stamped on the sleeve supplied with the kit. Insert the small end into the barrel and tighten with the Allen wrench. Line up the notch on the pilot hood to the tab on the barrel and snap into position. Converting control valve. Using a Torx T20 or a slotted screwdriver, remove the 3 mounting screws, pressure regulator tower, gasket and diaphragm spring components. Ensure the gasket is properly positioned on the new regulator tower. Install the new LP regulator assembly to the valve using new screws supplied with the kit. Tighten the screws securely to 25 pounds. Install LP ID label supplied to the valve where visible. Apply the conversion ID label supplied to the rating plate over top of the existing label. Conversion label must be filled out and affixed to the floor of the unit where visible. Proper setup and final preparation. Install the logs and embers, which must be no larger than an eraser, according to the installation instructions. Leak check the gas control and any connections you've made before operating the appliance. Close and latch the door, latching the top 2 latches first. Light the pilot and turn on the burner. Leak check the gas fittings at the burner supply gas line going up into the burner orifice. Replace the screens and install the louver panels. The conversion and setup is now complete. Remove bottom louvers. If unit is equipped with jumper wire, remove and discard. Note, the jumper wire is located on front or rear terminals of the gas control valve. Connect the red wire to terminals marked TP, TH. Connect the white wire to terminal marked TH. These are the top and bottom terminals of the control valve. Route the other end of the wire through the grommet on the right side of the fireplace. Continue routing wire to wall switch location using no more than 15 feet of 18 gauge wire. Connect the two wires to the two terminals of the wall switch. Installation of the wall switch is now complete. Parts included in the remote control kit: instruction sheet, remote receiver, remote transmitter, 4 AA batteries, 1 12-volt battery, 1 cover plate, 1 wiring harness, 1 hardware kit. Insert 4 AA batteries into the remote receiver. Insert 1 12-volt battery into the remote transmitter. Remove bottom louvers. If unit is equipped with jumper wire, remove and discard. Note, the jumper wire is located on front or rear terminals of the gas control valve. Connect one wire from the remote receiver to the terminal marked TP/TH on the gas control valve. Connect the remaining wire from the receiver to the terminal marked TH of the gas control valve. Attach the white slide selector button to the receiver. Installation of the remote is complete. Remove the top and bottom louvers simultaneously, sliding the 2 spring latches toward the center until they are disengaged from the locating holes on both ends. Remove the screen assembly by sliding the rod right or left and then pull one end down and forward. The door has 4 latches that keep the door closed, 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom. Pull the latches toward you to unlock. The door is hinged and will swing open. When locking the door, make sure to lock the top latches first. To replace the items removed, simply reverse the procedure. Slide the blower assembly into the fireplace on the right-hand side of the lower axis. Position the blower so that the magnets on the back of the blower are against the rear wall of the fireplace and the blower discharge is pointing upward. Remove the speed control knob and retaining nut from the speed control housing. Place the speed control shaft through the hole in the bracket and reinstall the retaining nut. Replace the speed control knob. Plug the power cord into the junction box on the right side of the fireplace. Installation of the blower is complete.